Hey, Tej here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Ethereum. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott to Ethereum and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Today we're just going to be focusing on here on this structure coming off of the highs of 14th of August. On this structure we're going to be first focusing on the RSI, in which we see this trend line going up, and we had a tag into it here on 1 hour time frame, having that tag on the early morning hours of today. We did get some kind of small bounce off of it, nothing major, so this definitely can be rolling over and through again. Now on this the primary count here that I have here, we do have this as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We're still not possibly created the wave 4 here. It is possible that it is done. It would be completed with this expanding diagonal like so. Let's go into smaller time frame. Having this as an ABC overall, and this would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, however, these expanding diagonals are rare, so that's why I'm still a bit hesitant to call the wave 4 that it would be in. We have a couple of different targets here, and a 4-hour order block, a daily and a naked point of control, and the 38.2 just above this current high here. So it would make some kind of sense to get up to these areas around the $16.90 area or 1700s, just to get that peak here, get that liquidity here that we have, and then get down again for that fifth wave. Now, how do we get there is one issue which we're going to be discussing next. One possibility would be this one, in which we have, instead of having this as 1, 2, 3, we would have this as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. At the moment, this structure over here, this possible wave 4, is right around the 1-to-1 extension of this wave 2 here, so meaning that they are very similar in size. As we are talking about this possibility of being expanding diagonal, because this structure here should be larger. Let me just measure that again. It should be larger. Yep, it is. So wave 4 should be larger as well than wave 2, so that would create us that expanding look here. So to me, we would still need some kind of move downwards, and this definitely looks like a complete structure here. So we could be getting that complex structure here, some kind of a structure. I'm not quite sure how we're going to be getting this, but some kind of three-way structure here, getting back us down, taking out these current lows that we had here during the early morning hours, for me at least. And then we would be getting higher, and they get that fifth place or fifth wave in place in this count. The other option would be this one, in which we would have this as a W, X and wave Y. This, however, would get us only the A wave. Then we would be looking for B wave and C wave. This would get us a very nice looking overall structure. However, the issue is if we are comparing it to the higher time frame structure here, where we had this as a 1, 2, and wave 4 is generally compared to wave 2 as in length, and currently it is already gone beyond the 3 times of its length compared to wave 2. So that's why I'm still having the possibility of, okay, this is done here. Now the issue with that again would be the idea, or the issue here, that this structure does not really look too impulsive. We would have to say that we have this as a three-way move. Then are we going to be having another three ways? Are we going to have some kind of expanding leading diagonal in here? That is going to be very hard to say, and only the time will tell. But again, very low chances of that being the case. So that's why I'm still looking into the correction possibility more than the impulse or multi-wave structure as a possibility for this fifth. So more complexity to come, in my opinion, unfortunately, although it does not really fit the time sentiment here that I have here for the wave 4. But I feel like that is pretty much everything I want to cover. If, however, we are going to be getting back to these areas of that 38.2, where we have other resistances such as this daily and naked point of control and this order block, then I would be looking for a possible short setups. But for now, I think that's everything I wanted to cover on Ethereum. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate likes, links to my free Discord in the description below, and for now I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.